So this right here is the Google Pixel 5, which was meant to be the successor of the Pixel 4, but it doesn't seem like one. Why? Well, while the Google Pixel 4 was a flagship phone from Google, the Pixel 5 is a mid-range device. Now the mid-range Pixel 5 actually makes total sense because as we have seen in the past couple of years, Google's flagship phones are not doing that well in the market. The story is completely opposite for the budget Pixels like last year's Pixel 3a series or this year's Pixel 4a. One of the biggest issues with the flagship Google Pixels in recent years has been the price. And this year Google could have easily priced the Pixel 5 at $900 or even $1,000 if it was meant to be a flagship. So instead, Google decided to launch the Pixel 5 as a mid-range phone, packing as many features in it as it can but keeping the price lower than the current flagships. Now, design-wise, the Google Pixel 5 is like a combination of the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4a. So it looks like the Pixel 4a from the front with that hole punch cutout, and from the back it looks like the Pixel 4 with that square-shaped camera module. Now the recent renders of the phone show that along with the two main cameras on the back, there is also a third sensor, but it is still a mystery what it is meant for. Unlike the Google Pixel 4, which had all sort of face unlock sensors and the Soli radar chip on the top bezel, the Google Pixel 5 has none of them, and instead, the rear-facing fingerprint scanner makes a return. What doesn't make a return though is the 3.5mm headphone jack. Another noticeable design change is that the back and the sides have a sandstone finish this time. So that is all about the design of the Google Pixel 5. Now talking about the specifications that we know so far, there is a 6-inch 90Hz OLED screen with a Full HD Plus resolution and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset. This is a 5G chipset from Qualcomm since it packs an integrated 5G modem. There is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. With the Google Pixel 4 series of last year, Google went for a multi-camera setup on the back for the first time, but the company decided to go with a 2x telephoto camera instead of an ultra-wide camera. Well, that is not the case with the Google Pixel 5 because it has an ultra-wide camera along with the regular camera, making it the first Google Pixel phone to have an ultra-wide camera on the back. Finally, according to Android Central, the Pixel 5 does not have a 3080 mAh battery as reported earlier. While the exact number is not yet known, the battery is considerably bigger than the 2800 mAh battery of the Pixel 4. On top of that, there is also 15W wireless charging and 5W reverse wireless charging. Now along with the Pixel 5, Google is also launching the Pixel 4a 5G, which as the name shows is a 5G version of the Pixel 4a. It has the same Snapdragon 765G chipset, and Google has already revealed that it will be priced at $499. But we don't know the exact price of the Pixel 5 yet. The launch is taking place on September 30 according to John from Front Page Tech, and the Pixel 5 also has a green color option. So what do you think the price of the Pixel 5 should be? Do let me know at the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.